500 feet of 14-gauge speaker wire. 500 feet, 152. 4 meters. True spec stranded wire. Rugged clear PVC jacket. Striped jacket for easy polarity identification. Copper-clad aluminum conductor, CCA. Compact spool for easy storage. Perfect for car audio systems. Rugged PVC jacket makes it easy to route through car panels. Easily installs into most Crimp terminals. Jacket strips easily for a quick install. Great for home theater systems. Low memory jacket makes it easy to route close to wall moldings. Easily installs into most banana plugs. Jacket strips easily for a quick install. Top reviews from the United States. This wire was easy to use, very manageable. I use the smaller wire to wire my surround sound speakers that I have mounted in my ceiling in 4 different corners. There was plenty enough in that spoil to reach the home amplifier. Speakers sound amazing. I am grateful I made this choice to purchase this spoil of wire.